Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare some wings for you. I have like 4 pounds of wings here. What I'm going to do is just add some salt to the wings and some pepper flakes and let them marinate for a couple hours. I added 3 teaspoons of sea salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper flakes. Today I'm making some buffalo chicken wings. Remember, I marinated the chicken in just some salt and some pepper flakes. The skillet is really hot. I'm going to turn it down some so the butter don't burn. I'm using Valentina Mexican hot sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the sauce here. It smells delicious in here. And there's no carbs in this sauce at all. It's just made of vinegar. And mix it up. I added 2 sticks of butter to the pan. Added a half a bottle of this Valentina Mexican hot sauce. Buffalo wing sauce is good on any kind of chicken, any kind of fish. But it's not that spicy at all. So that's the half jar Valentina Mexican hot sauce. I'm going to remove the chicken from the bag so I can dry the chicken off before I add it to the fryer. Pat the chicken dry. Just pick it up and use a paper towel and just dry it off. Because anytime you add water to a fryer, it's gonna bubble up pretty high. So you want to try to get them as dry as you can before you add them to your fryer. The sauce is ready, and I'm going to set it aside and while I fry up the chicken. I just added my chicken to the fryer. I only added like 4 pieces, and that'll cook for about 12. I use grapeseed oil in my fryer. Not peanut oil, because some people are allergic to peanut oil. So it's ready. I'm going to add 4 more wings to the fryer. dumped the chicken into the saucepan while they were hot. And this is what they look delicious, smell delicious. As soon as they cool off, I'm gonna try the buffalo wings. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of pepper flakes. The next batch is gonna be a little bit hotter. These 4 are going in the hotter sauce. And now I'm going to take these out and add them to the plate here. By adding the wings to the sauce while they're hot, it soaks up a lot of the sauce, so it makes them taste better. And another half teaspoon of pepper flakes to the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna add the hot wings to the skillet. Notice that the sauce is not hot, but it sticks better for some reason when the wings are hot. Oh, they look delicious, don't they? Now you can see the ones that I added on the end. They look delicious and they smell spicier too. Now I'm gonna try the hottest wing. All right, I'll let you I'm gonna taste the wing. I'll let you see me taste it. Now, the last batch of wings, they are very hot because I just took them out. So these are the hot wings, okay? So hot buffalo wings. So let me take a bite. Very tasty. You have to try this recipe. It is so good. It's very spicy. So if you don't like spicy buffalo wings, stick with the first batch that I made. I can't stop eating this chicken. Thank you so much for watching my videos.